Hi, my name is Primilla Malik. I am the chair of Protect Orange County and a resident of Minisink, New York, a once pristine rural residential community in upstate New York. And it's also home to many 9/11 first responders who moved here for clean air. In 2012, FERC approved a 12,260 horsepower gas compressor station to be built just a few hundred feet from many, many homes. Dozens of homes. FERC never rejects a project, so it was approved despite evidence of imminent human and environmental harm. Since it's become operational, we've had frequent odor events, after which children in our community experience nosebleeds, breathing problems, headaches, abdominal cramps, and rashes. Adults report breathing problems. I get breathing problems, and I have no history of respiratory illness before this was built. People also report difficulty concentrating and losing balance. Many families have left. One walked away from their home entirely and left the state. We experience blowdown events where large amounts of gas are released into the atmosphere and noise sounds like a jet engine. And following that, we usually see symptoms I mentioned earlier. Blowdown events are often unplanned and can happen whenever there is too much pressure in the pipeline. In 2014, a team of scientists did air testing with little devices that measure particulate matter, PM 2.5, and we discovered that there were extremely high spikes of emissions in the middle of the night, which explained why I often woke up in the middle of the night unable to breathe. This indicated to us the company was venting toxic gases in the middle of the night. My neighbor, whose property abuts the station, has lost 4 large animals within 2 years. There is almost no oversight and regulation of these facilities. They're industrial, toxic, and volatile and don't belong near people or pets. I'm going to very quickly show you some slides. Here we go. Here we go. Slides. Here we go. This is a child after a venting event. 50 miles up the pipeline, that child had a rash 2 days later. My daughter had a nosebleed. This is what the emissions look like with an infrared camera. And as you can see, the problem with air pollution is that you can't see it, but with an infrared camera you can. And this is what's coming out of our station 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And it's on very minimal capacity right now. This is a symptom my daughter had after a recent blowdown event. Well, it was spring of this past year, and she had a massive gushing nosebleed. As I said, there's often emergency blowdown events as well, which are unplanned. And this is after one such event. And because of this, this family moved away. And the other thing I want to quickly show you is these particulate matter meters that I mentioned earlier. And these red spikes are spikes in emissions. The green is safe for human health. But this is what was happening in the middle of the night in our community. And it's one of the reasons why this family left. So they don't belong in near people or pets in residential communities. So I wish you guys a lot of luck. Thank you.